Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Gila Ramadan. I'm from Geophysics Engineering 2020. I'm from group number 14. The topic that we take is volcanoes. There are two processes for the formation of the volcanoes that make different type of volcanoes. The first is eight convergent plate boundaries occur when two plates collide and an oceanic plate slips under another plate, bringing the water and carbon dioxide into the mantle, trigger the magma to melting process, and create a volcanic ring that surrounds the Pacific Ocean. This name of volcanoes is volcanic island arc. The second is eight divergent plate boundaries occur when a gap opens between two plates. The gap is filled by a mantle underneath, causing the magma to melt. These volcanoes are commonly found on the seabed and erupt continuously and called hot spot volcano.
Hello everyone, we're from the group 14 and today we're going to present you about a brief introduction to volcanoes. My name is Afan Shafiq, I'm from Geophysical Engineering. The Volcanic Explosivity Index, commonly shortened as VAI, is a scale from 0 to 8 for measuring the strength of eruption. It is used by the Smithsonian Institution Global Volcanism Program in assessing the impact of historic and prehistoric lava flows. It operates in a way similar to the Richter scale for earthquakes, in that each interval in value represents a tenfold increase in its magnitude. The vast majority of volcanic eruptions are a VAI between 0 and 2. The VAI is 0 with a plume height of less than 100 meters and erupting volume of 1000 metric cubics is the eruption type of Hawaiian with a frequency of continuous. With the VAI of 1 with a plume height of 100 to 1000 meters with eruptive volume of 10,000 meter cubics is eruption type of Hawaiian/Strombolian with a frequency of daily. With the VAI of 2 with the plume height of 1 to 5 kilometers with eruptive volume up to 1 million meter cubics is eruption type of Strombolian/Vulcanian with a frequency of fortnightly. With the VAI of 3 with the plume height of 3 to 15 kilometers with eruptive volume up to 10 million meter cubic, it's the eruption type of Vulcanian with the frequency of 1 per 3 months. With the VAI of 4 with plume height from 10 to 25 kilometers with eruptive volume up to 100 million meter cubics is eruption type of Vulcanian/Pylian, its frequency every 18 months. With the VAI of more than 25 kilometers, there will be VAI 5 to 8 with eruptive volumes up to 1 to 1000 kilometer cubics, from Pylian to supervolcanic.
Hello everyone, my name is Givari Razan. You can call me Givari. I'm here to explain you about the types of volcanic eruption. First of all is Hawaiian eruption. Hawaiian eruption are a type of volcanic eruption named after the Hawaiian volcanoes with which this eruptive type is hallmark. Hawaiian eruption are the calmest type of volcanic events, characterized by the effusive eruption of very filled basalt-type lavas with low gaseous content. The example of this type is Mount Kailua. Number 2 is Strombolian. Strombolian eruption are a type of volcanic eruption named after the volcano Stromboli, which has been erupting nearly continuously for centuries. Strombolian eruption are driven by the bursting of gas bubbles within the magma. These gas bubbles within the magma accumulate and coalesce into large bubbles, called gas loop. The example of this type is Mount Stromboli and Mount Galeras. Number 3 is Vulcanian. Vulcanian eruption are a type of volcanic eruption named after the volcano Vulcano, It was named so following Giuseppe Mercalli observation of its 1888 until 1890 eruption. In volcanic eruption, intermediate viscous magma within the volcano make it difficult for vesiculate gas to escape. Similar to Strombolian eruption, this led to the build-up of high gas pressure, eventually popping the cap holding the magma down and resulting in an explosive eruption. The example of this type is Mount Nevado del Ruiz. Now, we continue to the Pylian type. Pylian eruption are a type of volcanic eruption named after the volcano Mount Pili in Martinique. The site of the Pylian eruption in 1902, that is one of the worst natural disasters in history. In Pylian eruption, a large amount of gas, dust, ash, and lava fragments are blown out the volcano's central crater. Driven by the collapse of rhyolite, the site and andesite lava dome collapse that often create large eruptive columns. The example of this type is Mount Pili. And the last one is Plinian type. Plinian eruption or Vesuvian eruption are a type of volcanic eruption named for the historical eruption of Mount Vesuvius in 79 after the date that buried the Roman towns of Pompeii and Herculaneum, and specifically for its chronicler Pliny the Younger. The process powering Plinian eruption starts in the magma chamber, where dissolved volatile gas are stored in the magma. The example of this type is Mount St. Helens, Pinatubo, and Tambora.